Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to see message request on Messenger in 2025 update. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. So once you open your Messenger app and logged into your account, you can simply do is go to main menu at the bottom right corner, and then you will see over here this option over here, or like this panel over here. You can see over here friend request over here, so you can simply click on that, or you can simply do is click on message request on below the community. Once you click on that, you will see over here, see who can see your message or like send you a message. So once you come in this page, you will see bunch of messages that the people send it you, or if they didn't send it you, you will never see any message over here. Like me, this is new account, so I can't get any of the friends messages over here. So you can see no spams messages or no you may know. So that's it. That's how you can see message request on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.